Anything media.
But whatever decision, whatever statement I said was with my full conscience. A full conscience of being a Mukatuli. And I'm not about to withdraw, and I will not withdraw. And whatever I say, there is no confusion in Parliament. If there is confusion the other side, for us in Parliament, we are at peace. Whatever happens, we are at peace as Parliament.
Have been reached. One of them is to harmonize with the arm of Parliament to see that this event takes place with guidelines that will restrict those that are coming to celebrate in the event to behave in a manner that is acceptable by Ugandan cultures. We have tasked the Ministry of Ethics and Integrity and that of National Guidance to come up with guidelines together with the organizers to come up with guidelines that will be followed during the event. The event will take place because the timing, we have given them a very short time. Some people had already booked tickets. Others are already in the country. It's an event that attracts thousands and thousands of tourists across the globe, and therefore cancellation at such a short notice was a bit challenging, because we also have to think about the economy. We also have to think about the name of the country, and also negate through these other challenges that come with that event.